This is Alan with the Grilling Network. Welcome. Today I have my lovely daughter Courtney.
Today we are going to be making a very easy homemade pumpkin pie.
Let's get cooking. For today's recipe, we fired up our CampChef, preheating it to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's going on, let's prepare the pie crust. We're using a number 10 from CampChef, and this is a Pillsbury dough pre-made, pie crust. Super simple. We're just going to unroll this and place it inside the pan. All right. It can't be any simpler. Can you move that in the middle, Courtney, for me? Thank you, babe. All right, as you can see, super simple. As our CampChef is coming up to temp, let's get our pie ingredients together. Make sure you guys use 100% pumpkin puree. It makes a world of difference. We're gonna add a bunch of ingredients to this to amp it up. To this, we're adding some ginger. Mix that up for me, please, Courtney. We are using some cinnamon, pumpkin spice, to this, we're also going to add some maple syrup. Make sure you guys check out barrel aged to make amazing product. To this, we're also going to add some fresh ground nutmeg. There we go. And then to that, we're going to add a half cup of white sugar. Thank you, Courtney.
A cup of brown sugar. And then 4 eggs.
To that, we'll also add 2 cans of evaporated milk. We'll finish mixing this up off camera. We'll see you guys back soon. Now that we've thoroughly mixed up our pumpkin pie mixture, let's pour it into our cast iron. Our CampChef is up to temp. The next step is to place this inside of our CampChef that's preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll let that go for 15 minutes. We'll adjust the temperature down to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for an additional 35 to 40 minutes. Let's do that now. Can you open that up for me? All right, we'll see you back soon. We've been baking for 15 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit.
And now we're going to reduce it down to 350 and cook for an additional 45 minutes.
We'll see you back soon. It's been 45 minutes. Let's check on our pumpkin pie. We are using a cooling rack, and the way you check for doneness is use a sharp knife. Just cut around the, or poke it around the edges. Nothing comes off like it just did right here. It's done.
Now the hard part is waiting 2 hours for it to cool.
We'll see you back soon for the taste test. Our pumpkin pie is ready, but before we slice it up, we're going to make some homemade whipped cream. Quite simple, only a few ingredients. This is 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and to that we're going to add some powdered sugar. Courtney, can you mix it up for me, please? We're going to add 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. This is homemade, quite simple. Just vanilla beans with vodka, and let it steep for a couple months, and that's it. Quite simple. Last ingredient is maple syrup. Go ahead and whisk that up for me. All right. Give it a quick. All right. Set that aside. Don't have one of these guys. These are amazing. Give it a quick shake. I'm going to add one more. And we're ready. That's simple. Tastes amazing. All right, guys, we're going to slice this pumpkin pie up. We'll see you back soon. All right, for the moment we've all been waiting for, let's cut into this bad boy. Courtney, can you do the honors?
Yep.
All right, let's give this a taste. Wow, that was absolutely amazing. What do you think?
Really good.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
Guys, I want to thank you for stopping by and for watching this video.
And smash that like button.
Thanks, guys. We'll see you guys in the next one.